guys, and welcome to day 8 of Live Well with Marissa at home. Today's workout is going to be designed around a core routine where you don't have to use your wrist or your shoulders. So there's a lot of people who have really bad arthritic hands, or maybe you have one bad shoulder. So this whole routine is going to be done on our back. So that way you can still do this whole workout even if you have an injury with the upper part of the body. Now, this won't be as creative as throwing in kind of the side body exercises and the planks, but you can still see how you can do this exercise and still feel your core nice and strong, even if you have something going on with your wrist and shoulders. You know, a lot of times when things start in plank, you automatically feel like you just want to, roll your mat up and be done because you can't do that based on an injury. So this will hopefully offer you that opportunity to feel successful. For those of you that do have healthy hands and shoulders, awesome. Obviously, a lot of these other routines have exercises built into them where you can use those, but today, let's focus on laying on our back. Lay on down for me, and then give your knees a big squeeze as you lay down. Good. If you're with me yesterday, we had an awesome yoga class to kind of recover from the work we've done so far. And then exhale, take your feet up to the sky, roll your ankles around. Good job. Good. Plant your feet for me. Exhale, starting with basic crunches. Make sure your shoulder blades come off the ground. So this is not a crunch. This is called lifting your head, okay? This is a crunch where the shoulder blades actually come up, okay? Let's do this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Now raise your feet up to the sky. Exhale, hold it there, still holding your head, lower one leg down. Crunch over, come back, tuck the heel, bring it up, head down. So crunch, twist, hover, tap, lift, lower. Crunch, twist, hover, tap, lift. 2 more. Up, twist, hover, heel. 1 more time. Up, twist, hover, tap, lift, lower. Bring that bottom leg up. Good. Elbows go wide before we do the other side. Just work on picking up that butt and putting it down. Good. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. You've got 8, 7, 6, 5. Fight through. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Go ahead and lower one leg. So it's the opposite leg. Come up. Twist, hover, heel, lift. Good. Twist, hover, heel, lift. Put that head down each time if you need to. Come up. Twist, hover, heel. 4 more. Twist, hover, heel, lift. Head down. Twist, hover, heel, lift. Come down. Good. Last 2. Twist it. Hold your head. Tap your heel. Lift. 1 more. Up. Twist. Hold. Tap. Lift. Release. Feet up. Again, lift up and down. So fire through. Lift your low back off the ground. Good. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Hug your knees deeply into your chest. Pull your low back down and forward. Nice job. From there, release your feet to the ground for me. You're going to reach hand to heel. So just kind of twist side to side here as you move from left to right. Feeling that effort of your core to sustain, scooping down and in on the belly. Good. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then you have 1 and 1. Nice work. Bring your knees to 90 degrees. Good. Exhale, tap one heel, bring it up. Tap the other heel, bring it up. Tap both heels, bring them both up. Good. Right, up, left, up, together, and lift. Notice I hovered too, so you can tap, obviously, like that time I hit my mat. All right, or you can kind of hover and lift. It's up to you. 1 more to the right, One more to the left. One more to center. Don't hurt your back. Good. Hold here. Now press your legs up to the sky. Very slow for me. We're going to circle to the right. Bring it down, around, and all the way up. Good. That's one. Down, around, all the way up. Two. Let's do 5. So we have 3 more. 1, 2. Last one. Here we go. And 3. Big circle. Nice. Now let's go left. Exhale, go left, around, and up. For 1, left, around, and up. That's 2. We have 3 more, okay? Left, around, and up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Left, around, and up. 2 more. Left, around, and up. 1 more for me. Left, around, and up. Good. Give your knees a big hug. Press your low back down and forward. Exhale, open your mouth. Squeeze those knees in real tight. Good. Low back is going to rock side to side for just a moment. So when you are doing everything on your back, you need to take that break just to like hug it in, make sure you're not feeling any pain or tension. All right, let's go ahead and take that full sit up. So you're going to come all the way up and all the way down. All the way up, reach forward, all the way down. Good. Let's do 8. Lower. 7. Lower. 6. Lower. 5. Come on, fight through this. 4. 3. 2 more. 2. 1 more. Up, up, up. Yes. Good. Come on down. Now bring those knees in and you're going to curl your tailbone up and then you're going to tap your heels. So we're going to add those 2 together. Curl, drop, tap, and in. Curl, drop, tap, and in. Good. 8. Tap, down, up. 7. Tap, down. Relax your upper body. You don't need it right now, okay? Last 5. Tap. 4. Tap. 3. Tap. 2. Tap. 1. Tap. Good. Give your knees a big squeeze. Make sure your back feels nice. Good. And then we'll bend our left knee. We'll cross our right ankle over. You'll place your hands behind your head and you're going to twist opposite elbow to opposite knee. So crunch, lower, crunch, lower. Good. 8, 7, 6. Keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, switch. Good. Foot comes down, ankle comes across, knee comes out. Don't stop. Let's go. Crunch. Crunch. Good. 8, 7. Find that rotation. 6. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2. 1 more. 1. Beautiful. Head comes down, knees come to those chest. Big mouth exhale. Good. Legs come into the air slowly. Reach them up to the sky. Bring one leg down and lift. Other leg down and lift. So single leg lifts are just as challenging as double leg lifts if you keep it slow and controlled and if you keep your low back down, okay? So let's just do one leg for 8, 7. Notice I'm not swinging. I'm controlling that motion. That's super important. Now, to make it harder, you can lift your head up like this. Up to you. Last 4, 3, slow, 2, 1 more rep. Good. Now we switch legs. Put your head down if you need it. And again, we just start here first. Just up and down, controlling the core, controlling your legs, trying to keep those legs straight. All right, 8, 7. Make it harder. Support your head if you want. Good, right here. You've got 5. Pick up those shoulder blades. The higher they are, guess what? The harder you work. 3, 2. You got one more rep right here. 1. Good. Release your head down. Good. Reach your arms up to your toes, shoulders down. Exhale. Crunch, 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 crunch. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, sit on up. So again, we didn't use our hands or our shoulders, so you should have been able to do this whole workout if you have something going on in the upper body. We're going to finish here with some boat holds. So lift your chest up, 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 flat spine, reach forward, and then pick up those feet. So you're going to come back just a little bit. Good. 3, 2, hover down if you can. 4, 3, 2, come up. Good. 4, 3, 2, hover down if you can. 4, 3, 2, one more rep, come up. 4, 3, one more hover, stay strong. 4, 3, 2, up. Good job, guys. Go ahead and give those knees a hug, round it forward just a little bit, relax. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, blow out a big candle. Way to work. Take a gentle twist to the right. Release your back, any tension. Good. Side 2, twist left. Release the back, any tension. Awesome job, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today for this core workout, all done on our backs to make sure that we don't overuse our shoulders or our wrists, or if we're unable to, then this workout's perfect for you. I have a couple other core exercises as well on my YouTube channel where we don't utilize the upper body. So if this was good for you, check those out or shoot me a message and I'll send those links to you. Thanks so much for joining me. Live well at home with Marissa. You guys completed it. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.